Ever feel like your money just disappears? You swear you budgeted perfectly, but then bam! Your bank account looks like a post-apocalyptic wasteland. The culprit? Sneaky credit card swipes you might not even be tracking. But fear not, financially frustrated friend. Today, we're diving deep into the world of budgeting apps, specifically pocketguard, to see if it can become your credit card tracking knight in shining armor. The budgeting breakdown: why track credit cards? Let's face it, credit cards are a double-edged sword. They offer convenience and sometimes sweet rewards points, but they can also lead to overspending if you're not careful. That's where budgeting apps like pocketguard come in. These apps connect to your bank accounts and paint a clear picture of where your hard-earned cash goes. But the question remains, does pocketguard track credit card transactions, or is it leaving a giant spending blind spot? The big reveal: pocketguard and credit card tracking. Here's the juicy secret: yes, pocketguard can track credit card transactions. But with a twist, kind of like a budgeting M. Night Shyamalan. pocketguard automatically syncs with your bank accounts, including credit cards. It sees those swipes and knows exactly how much you're spending. However, there's a catch: it treats credit card payments differently than debit card purchases. The In My Pocket paradox. pocketguard boasts a feature called In My Pocket, which essentially shows you how much spendable cash you have left after accounting for bills and other commitments. Here's the thing: when you use your credit card, pocketguard deducts that amount from In My Pocket initially. Why? Because technically, you haven't paid for anything yet. The credit card company is simply floating you the money. So, where's the tracking magic? Don't panic. pocketguard doesn't just vanish those credit card transactions into thin air. Here's how it all works. Transaction tracking. pocketguard tracks all your credit card transactions, categorizes them: groceries, gas, that impulsive llama piñata purchase, and displays them in your transaction list. Internal transfers and bill prediction. pocketguard recognizes when you pay your credit card bill. It treats this as an internal transfer between accounts and excludes it from your spending calculations to avoid double counting. The bill payout. Here's where pocketguard gets clever. Based on your past spending habits and any recurring bill information you provide, pocketguard predicts your upcoming credit card bill amount. This helps you plan ahead and ensures your In My Pocket reflects the upcoming payment. The takeaway: a budgetary buddy, not a credit card dictator. So, pocketguard tracks your credit card transactions, but it does so with a focus on your overall financial picture. It helps you see where your money goes, predict upcoming credit card payments, and keeps your In My Pocket number realistic. However, it's important to remember that pocketguard doesn't necessarily dictate how you use your credit card. You can still track your credit card spending in more detail by manually categorizing transactions or setting spending goals within the app. The final word: budgeting bliss awaits. Whether pocketguard is your budgeting BFF depends on your needs. If you crave a holistic view of your finances with credit card tracking built in, pocketguard is a solid option. But, if you need a super in-depth credit card tracker with micromanagement features, you might explore other apps alongside pocketguard. Ultimately, the key to budgeting success is finding a system that works for you. Experiment, track, analyze, and most importantly, take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.